Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, now we are on the Winston Jones Highway and we're coming up to the roundabout. This is where the Winston Jones Highway ends, and this is also the Williamsfield area. I think this is a Williamsfield roundabout, that's what they call it. Okay, so if we turn left, we go through Williamsfield, and well, the road is closed now, but if we were to go straight, we would go on to the Melrose bypass, and that bypass cuts out Melrose Hill. On the left there, that's where we would turn to go into Mandeville, and then that left now is the Winston Jones Highway. That's the road we just came off of. Okay, so Highway 2000 is being extended from Maypen to Mandeville, to Williamsfield actually, in Manchester. So the Highway 2000 has to cross over the Melrose Hill bypass. So they're building an overpass similar to what you see above there for the road to go over the Melrose Hill bypass. So one lane of the Melrose Hill bypass is closed so that they can build the overpass. So you can't access the Melrose Hill bypass from this area. You have to go through Williamsfield, and so we're in Williamsfield now, and go over Melrose Hill and go back out to the where you'd enter Porus. However, if you're coming from Porus to Mandeville, you can still use the Melrose Hill bypass because that side of the road is open. But if you're coming from Mandeville to go to Porus, you can't use the bypass. You have to go through the original road, which is over Melrose Hill. So this is basically the detour. You're detouring the traffic through Williamsfield and then Melrose Hill. So before the bypass was built, this was the main route. So at this roundabout now, you turn left and you go up to Spalding and Cristiano. Now here we're going over Melrose Hill now. It's like a school, Our Lady of Hope Early Childhood Institution. And then it says Catering College. Never heard of that one before. Some sort of school. It said Catering College on the outside. Over here looks like a residential community on the right. So back in the day, this was the main road when traveling from Mandeville to Porus, or basically driving through Jamaica if you're leaving from Kingston to Mandeville. And then in time we got the bypass, and then now we're getting a highway. So you see how Jamaica has been evolving. A lot of improvements on the roads have been made over the years. And the government is doing a really good job in building out these highways. And when we say government, we don't necessarily mean the one in power, whichever government was in power, because Highway 2000 started years ago. Because I'm sure those roads have been open for almost 10 years now. or they started construction on those roads over 10 years ago. And actually, there is a road, the largest road project that's on the way now is the Southern Coastal Highway. That road is going to cost $59 billion. And that's building a highway from Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. And it's on the way. I think last time I heard it was over 50% complete. But we have a lot of videos up of the construction, so you can take a look at it. And if you notice, this road has no white line. I'll never understand why it's so hard to put the white lines on the road. I must say though, this is a very nice road. It's been paved over, and I'm assuming it was paved over because the bypass, the Melrose bypass, was going to be closed. This is a very nice road. And all good things must come to an end. And now we're back to the normal road, I guess you could say. We're going to Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.